Hi, this is my math quiz assignment for week 2, and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, here is the application, and when I click start quiz, the timer starts to run, and we have the random numbers here. So if I enter a correct answer, it going to make a sound like here. And if I enter a wrong answer, like 5, and the sound no, and we can see the color red, like okay, again. We can see the timer here, and when it's less than 6 seconds, it turns red, like indicating that the time is going to end. And we have here the date. And yes, for example, 70. And yeah, this is the application. And if we enter a correct answers, like we have here, you got all the answers right. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and see you next week. Thank you.